Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and as you probably know by now, Apple has just recently released iOS 18.2.1. Now we have been expecting for this update. It is a small update, as you can see right here. It will come to your device at around 500 megabytes with no new features and changes, but of course really important security fixes and bug fixes. So I suggest of course that you do update your device to iOS 18.2.1. Now another thing I suggest is that you do some really important things once you have updated your iPhone to this new software update. So in this video I will show you guys some really important things that I believe every iPhone user must do once they have their iPhone updated to the new iOS 18.2.1. Now the first thing I suggest you do is head on to your settings app and go under battery, of course after you have updated your device. Then go to battery health right here and just look at the maximum capacity of your device. If you have a device that it has the maximum capacity close to 80%, you should always check this percentage every time you update your device. As you probably know, when you update your iPhone will basically check all of its components once it's being updated, and then it's the time when it will actually readjust the percentage right here and will show you the real maximum capacity of your device. Because you might have noticed sometimes when you update your device, this percentage will drop like 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 percentages, but you will see right there the real percentage once you have updated your iPhone. So why I suggest you look at this percentage is that your iPhone will perform way worse once it drops under 80%. So you need to make sure that your iPhone is still above 80%. If it has dropped, of course, always make sure that you replace the battery of your iPhone. The next thing I suggest you do is head on to your general settings and go to the About section. Now all you have to do here is go to the About section and stay there for like 10 seconds. And that's because you need to check for your carrier update. A lot of times when we get a new iOS update, we also get a carrier update. So all you have to do here is just go to the About section and just stay there for like 10 seconds. If you have an update for your carrier, it will pop up right here in the middle of the screen. You click install and in a couple of seconds it will be installed. You don't need to reboot your iPhone or anything. It just does everything in the background. And of course, always make sure that you actually update your apps. Every time you update your iPhone to new iOS software, always make sure that you also have your apps up to date. You can go to your App Store app and then go to your account, and of course make sure you have all of your apps updated. Now a lot of apps will release new updates when new iOS software comes out, so you need to make sure you have your apps up to date as well. If you don't want to do that manually, you can always go to your settings right here, and then you can go to apps. From here, go to App Store. You can go ahead and enable app updates, so they will be downloaded automatically every time there's a new update for each of your apps. And last but not least, you need to make sure that you have auto updates enabled for your device. As you can see, small updates like this, iOS 18.2.1, will be released, of course, very often, and they will be released without having to go through beta stages. So you don't want to bother whether you have your iPhone updated to the latest software or not. You just go to your settings, go to software update here into the general settings, and make sure you have everything set here to automatically. And every time there's a new important update like this one, your iPhone will be automatically updated. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you did, and of course subscribe for more iOS 18 videos, and I will see you on the next one.